Hello, welcome to this new vlog. This time, Eve is gone. I'm traveling with Patty. Now we're still in Peloponnese in a hot water spring. It smells of rotting eggs, but it's warm. And we will travel together with them. We don't know how long. We will see, and maybe with more people too. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog.
We have arrived now at Ilia Beach, a well-known beach here for van lifers in Peloponnese. We expected a lot of people, but it's almost empty. Of course, everything is very spread out, but we expected some more vibes, some more summer vibes, people around, a bar here and there maybe, but it's a pretty dead place, unfortunately. Too busy is not good, but like this, well, we are parked here, we can have a fire and waiting for Alex and Steffi. Good morning and welcome at Ilia Beach. We arrived yesterday after our visit to the hot springs, although we took a shower.
Still smelly.
Still smelling.
But it's
today, going to show you what we do here on a day at Ilia Beach.
Yeah, so the most important thing in the morning is
Breakfast.
get
First,
rid of the bed.
get rid of the bed and turn it back into a dinette. Our shower situation is a bit different compared to at home. Wet tissues, and a shower in a can. Changed into my clothes, now it's time to change the bed into a dinette.
Now it's time for breakfast. And every day I make overnight oats. And I make it at the evening so we can eat it now. It's almost ready. And as usual, it's time for the dishes. And where's Eve? Eve is outside. I don't know where he is, maybe making a walk. So I have to do it all by myself, but it's not a lot.
Start of another beautiful day here at Ilia Beach, and baker is coming in the distance. I see him already with fresh bread. Every morning baker comes, and during the day other people come with olive oils, jams, fresh produce. But first, fresh bread. Here we are again. It's been quite a few days staying on the beach, but it's now Saturday, weekly market, we've been told, so we're running low on fruits and fresh vegetables, and market is a perfect place for that.
And you can go with 2 women.
It's already 12 o'clock, so about time for a fresh coffee.
We're very into it.
And still after 3.5 months we use Belgian bought coffee beans.
But they're almost finished.
Almost finished, so if you want to sponsor us,
We always love to drink coffee.
lunchtime,
Hungry.
and we always try to eat as healthy as possible
A lot of vegetables.
and as local as possible.
That's why we bought some olives and even marinated them yesterday.
In the afternoon we like to make a walk through Ilia Beach or Elea Beach and watch the other vans. And one of the purposes of our walk is to feed the cats, because they felt here like a cat sanctuary where cats come together and they know they get food there. It's a pleasant walk through the forest, say hi to other people, have a little talk sometimes. After our trip to the Kitty Kingdom this afternoon, they are doing a yoga session I'm a bit away from the vans, not to disturb them. And yeah, I think I'm going to prepare the dinner. It's only a simple dinner tonight. It's going to be a clear soup with some leftover vegetables. Light meal before having a campfire tonight.
It's time for dinner. Eve prepared good fresh soup, but what's better than a piece of bread with it? Brown bread.
Well, we enjoy a marvelous sunset tonight.
Very beautiful.
We have our soup. Light meal.
Healthy.
Yeah, because last days we ate too much.
Every evening I make my overnight oats. How do I make it? I take a full cup of oats, rolled oats. I have some flaxseed, cinnamon. Sometimes I use peanut butter too. And most important, plant-based milk. I mix everything together and put it in the fridge overnight. So tomorrow it's perfect, it's ready. And I put fruits in there like strawberries, bananas, blueberries. So a perfect breakfast.
Every night we have to turn this dinette into our bed. It only takes, let's say, 2 or 3 minutes maximum. We're used to it.
Start.
You see, we're a team. It doesn't take that long.
Works very well.
Works very well. Now, brush our teeth and watch a YouTube vlog.
Put our sleeping clothes on.
Alright. We are ready to watch a vlog.
Oh, yes.
We're in bed.
Yeah, we'll
Installed.
look to YouTube.
Yeah, we're going to watch the last one of Neuland Stories.
Our favorite YouTubers.
And friends we met in Spain last year. They are now traveling the Pan-American. from Alaska, no, from Canada to Ushuaia probably.
Yeah.
We will see where they will end up, but be sure to check them out.
We miss them.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. Did we make the right decision to travel the Hippie Trail?
Yes, yes we did.
So, we're going to enjoy the vlog. We hope you enjoyed ours, day in the life on Ilia Beach.
Yeah.
If so, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
It's for free, and leave a comment.
Yeah, we love to have your comments.
Yeah, love to read them and love to answer them.
Yeah, and hope to see you next week in our next vlog in Peloponnese. Greece.
Probably in Peloponnese still,
Yeah.
because it's great here.
Very great place.
So, vlog time, YouTube,
Start.
play.